Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from vsesilksarees. In this video, we are going to see all self bridal handloom soft silk sarees. All these sarees are bridal wear sarees, are rich jari woven sarees. We have 5 different colors in this collection, so we are going to see all these 5 colors in this video. So before we see the video, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notification whenever we upload a video. We are uploading fresh collections daily, freshly produced from our loom, so please don't miss these collections. All these sarees comes with a Silkmark certified tag. So we'll see each sarees in detail. This is the first saree, a teal blue with a pink combination. The pallu and blouse comes in a pink color. All over the saree you have a teal blue. All these sarees have a both sides tissue border and you'll get a plain blouse with a tissue border. So you have a geometrical design, zigzag design which comes all over the saree, which is woven all over the saree in gold jari. A rich work which is done till end of the saree. This is the back side of the saree you are seeing. So the next color is a mahindi green with pink combination. Pallu and blouse comes in a pink color and all over the saree a beautifully woven jari zigzag design. So if you want to book any of these sarees, please do take screenshot and text us on the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. I'll add a link below in the description box. You can click on the link and share those screenshots for payment and booking. We are shipping on the same day the payment is made. So we are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere. So please don't wait it. Please do book it if you want to book any of these sarees. The next color is a blue with pink combination. All these sarees are double warp sarees which comes with a Silkmark certified tag. A very good quality. All these are soft silk sarees, very lightweight, flexible. The approximate weight of these sarees will be a 600 grams. So which is very lightweight and very easy to carry. We do have video call facility as well. You can contact us if you want to see any of the sarees in the video call for confirmation. We do have video call facility, so please feel free to call video call facility if you need it. The next color is an orange with yellow combination. A beautiful orange body with yellow pallu and blouse. So our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well for more collections. We do give for wholesalers and we do have reseller groups. So please do contact us for more details. Please do call us and visit us directly for bulk orders. The last color is a bottle green with yellow combination. A beautiful bottle green in the body with yellow pallu and blouse. So the approximate price of these sarees will be 6,000 to 6,500. So please do WhatsApp us for the exact price and booking. This is the back side of the saree. Hope you like these collections. Please do share this video with your friends and family and support us. Thanks for watching. Thank you.